Alright, so hey hello guys, what's up everybody, it's your Ranjit Gautam and back to again in this video. Hey dude, and I know you are learning English every day, and so dude, this video is going to be a little bit helpful for you all. And dude, I have no any topic today because I was busy and I was doing my work, so that's why I was busy, and that's why I was not able to uh, find to choose any topic. So that's why there is no any topic, but in spite of all of any topic, we will talk about a small tiny topics. And yeah, maybe you have not have it heard about it. Yeah, maybe it can be that you have never heard about it. So dude, before we starting this video, please subscribe this channel, and if you are new, so please also subscribe for more interesting videos, because you will find here more interesting videos to improve English gradually. And so let's start today's topic. So dude, in this video I'm going to tell about you some small words which we use usually in writing time. So dude, first is e.g. example. Like I'm giving you an example, like uh, I prefer fruits. Example: apples, orange, mango. And dude, second is id ist. I-E means id ist. Yeah dude, id ist. And there is an example I'm giving you for understanding. There is an example like I wake up early in the morning. It is 5 a.m. Yeah dude, it's a example of it is word. I dot e dot. And dude, third is etc. 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 It is not etc, it is etc. etc. So dude, there is a example of etc. Like I have bought today a pencil, sharpener, eraser, a pen, etc. Like I have bought a lot of things. So that in at that situation you will use etc word, and this will use at the end of sentence. And fourth and last is aka, aka, aka. It's mean, and dude, it means aka means also known as. Yeah dude, and there is a example that Mumbai aka Bombay. And you can also say it, and you can also say it Mumbai as known as Mumbai as known as Bombay. Means aka means as known as. So dude, this is a tiny topic for you all. And dude, second we will talk about some punctuations which and maybe some of you don't know all of those. So let's talk about those. And dude, let me know in the comment section that you have heard about it. I also want to know that you have heard about it. You have heard about it. So dude, first is at. And you have you can know, no, sorry, you also known as like at the rate. Yeah dude, at. And dude, second is slash. Like I will show you there. all those punctuation, all those sign. Second is slash, third is asterisk and asterisk, and dude, fourth is hyphen, fifth is underscore, and dude, sixth is dot. And you also know about dot. This will use at the end of sentence. And dude, you also known as about comma, and last is semicolon. I will show you there. You can see here. Those are some punctuations. So, dude, this was the today's topics, and I have not a better topic to make on that video. And if you have any topic, if you have any challenge for me, so please write in the comment section. And I want to show you one thing, guys, that you can see here. There are some, you can see there behind me, there are some peoples who are seeding. Yeah, we can say they are planting rice. Yeah, dude, they are planting rice, and they are hard working, because they are working so that they can earn money. That's why they are working, and they don't want to work. In spite of all of those things, they are working so that they can eat food, they can earn money a little bit. And you can see behind me, a child is sat there and he is smoking. Yeah, you can see behind me, and he is ruining. Yeah, dude, he is ruining and destroying his life. He is destroying his liver. Yeah, you can see. And he was hidden here for smoking, and now he is going their home. So, dude, and so that's all for today, good dude, and we will meet in my next video. So if you have any topic, if you have any suggestion for me, so please let me know in the comment section. And dude, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video till the end. And so bye for today, guys. Bye.